Tired of wrestling with login problems just to access your HR information? Stick around because in the next minute and a half, we're going to demystify the Bamboohr login process, whether you're using a web browser or the mobile app. First, let's tackle logging in via web browser. Open your preferred browser and type in your company's unique Bamboohr URL, or go to Bamboohr.com and click the login button. If you are using the mobile app, tap the Bamboohr app icon to launch it. Enter your company subdomain, which is the unique identifier for your company's Bamboohr account. Then enter your username, which is usually your company email address, and your password in the designated fields. What if you've forgotten your password? No problem. Click the Forgot Password link located below the login button. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Bamboohr will then send you a password reset link to your email. Follow the instructions in the email to create a new, secure password. Now, let's talk about security. Bamboohr strongly recommends enabling two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account. To enable it, go to your profile settings within Bamboohr. Once you're logged in, look for the Security or Authentication section, and follow the prompts to set up two-factor authentication using an authenticator app or SMS verification. Remember to always use a strong, unique password for your Bamboohr account, and keep your login credentials confidential to ensure the security of your sensitive HR data. If you are still having issues, reach out to your company's HR department or Bamboohr support. That's it. You're now equipped to easily log into Bamboohr and keep your account secure. Thanks for watching.